Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, sir, madam.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Nancy Prael, 50 years old. I have 5 children, widow.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 3 brothers,
And they are?
44, 39, and 30.
How many sisters do
I
you
have 4 sisters,
And they are?
46, 40, 43, and 35.
And you are the?
I'm the eldest of the family.
Okay. So, how many children do you have?
I have 5 children. My daughters is 30 years old, 27, 26, 23, and 21.
Your son is?
27.
Okay. So, one son and
And 4
4
daughters.
daughters. So, who's gonna take care of your children if you go to Hong Kong?
My mother is with my house.
Okay. So, do you have any experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
Yes, madam, I work in Hong Kong before, 2000 to 2004, and then in Taiwan, 1997 to 91, and Abu Dhabi, 2012 to 2015.
So, in Hong Kong, you said you worked for 2 years. And how many persons in the family
There are 5,
in Hong Kong? They are 5. How many children?
2 children and 2 adults and 1 elder.
The children is
3 and 5.
3 and 5, and the adult is?
The adult's mom is 42 and 40.
Okay. And the other experience is
In Taiwan.
in Taiwan. How many persons in there?
In Taiwan, I have 4 children and 5 adults and 1 elderly.
What the ages of the children?
The children is 6, 5, 3, 2, and 1.
Okay. And the other
The,
country?
the Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
In Abu Dhabi, 8 years old, 9 years old, and 13 years old.
All of them are finished contract?
Now, in Abu Dhabi is 2 years and 7 months.
2 years to 7 months. So, you extend your contract there. Okay. All of them, aside from Abu Dhabi,
Finish all.
are
All finished.
Okay. So, what are your main duties in your previous employers?
Cooking, ironing, washing clothes, cleaning the house, taking care of the children, and bring in the school.
Okay. How about marketing?
Marketing also.
Okay. So, how about in the Philippines? Do you have any experience working as a domestic helper?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
3
For
years.
how long did you stay?
3 years.
3 years. Okay. How many they are in the family?
5 in the family. 3 kids and 1 a couple.
Okay. So, why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because high salary, madam.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, madam.
Like what?
Chow pan, soup, and steam. And
So-
I know I need to more learn.
Are you willing to learn
Yeah,
more?
I'm willing
Okay.
to.
So, if your employer has a small baby and the baby's crying, what will you do?
I will feed him if they're hungry.
Okay. And if still crying the baby and feeling sleepy, what will you do?
I will feed and then make it sleep and sing a lullaby.
Okay. And if the baby is sick, what will you do?
I will check the temperature and tell to madam what is the baby.
Needs. Okay.
Yes.
And what can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach good manners and writing and speak English.
Okay. And can you sing us a nursery song? Do you know a nursery song?
Little.
Okay. Can you give us an example?
Busy day, we have fun, we have crayon and pencil, drawing object, counting number, learning our ABC. We have fun.
Is that all?
Very.
Okay. Thank you. Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, madam.
Why?
Because before I take care dog.
Okay, you have pets also. So, what can you say about yourself, especially your attitude?
Madam, I am hardworking and honest.
Okay. How you
Patient.
control your homesick?
Focus to my work and keep on praying always.
Okay. What can you say about yourself, especially your attitude?
I'm patient, especially to the kids.
Okay. Can you give us a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Madam, if you hire me, I promise to be a hardworking, obedient, responsible, trustworthy. I will do my best to serve your family. If you have children, I will take good care.
Okay. Are you promised to finish your contract?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Is that all?
Yes, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you.